Hey there, so you're shopping for a new dishwasher, and the question becomes, what size do you have? What size do you need? What options are there out there? And really, the standard for dishwashers is going to be 24 inches wide. Looking here, we have a 24-inch wide, 34-inch tall, 24-inch deep dishwasher. Now, that does vary depending on the brand. All these dishwashers have some height adjustment, but typically they're going to start at 34 inches tall with the feet all the way in. This is what we would call a standard dishwasher. They typically, for a European, will install flush with the cabinet face. With an American manufacturer or something of the like, you will see about an inch of that door standing proud of the face of your cabinet. If you have 24 inches, but you don't have 34 inches tall, it's one of two scenarios. A, you're in maybe an apartment complex or a condo that's ADA compliant. And that's really about being wheelchair accessible, not necessarily because you needed that, but because that's what you need for that type of building. This dishwasher, as you can see here, although it's missing the front panel, you have that nice large gap above it, even though the toe kick is equal with the dishwasher next to it. It is ADA compliant, so it's about 32¼ inches tall with the feet all the way in. They are all fully adjustable all the way up to counter height at about 34.5, 35, depending on the situation. The other reason you might need an ADA compliant is if you're replacing your dishwasher, you got new flooring laid on top of your old flooring, and no modifications were made to the dishwasher opening. The dishwasher wasn't removed. So here in Pittsburgh, we run into this all the time, where a customer really has a full height opening, but it's only inside of the opening and not in front of it, so a full-size dishwasher can't fit in. This is where ADA compliant comes in, and we can get that dishwasher into the hole without cutting out flooring or cutting out feet of the dishwasher for that matter. Raise it all the way up, fill the whole space, and get you a dishwasher. The only other size variation you could see is going to be the compact 18-inch wide. That's much less common. You're going to see that a lot, again, in apartments, condos, small spaces. Every 18-inch dishwasher is ADA compliant, and they're going to have that adjustability to go up to that full height. If you're coming in to shop and you don't know how wide your dishwasher is, it's very rare you're going to see an 18-inch dishwasher on the floor. So you'll probably be able to figure it out pretty quick that you have that special compact size.